Welcome to DataGEM videos. These videos demonstrate using table, view, and query results from ODBC data sources to create, edit, customize, and reuse dashboards and visualizations within DataGEM dashboard tool. This video is on using named parameter queries in a dashboard. I will be creating a dashboard like this that allows me to specify parameters that can be modified each time the data is reloaded. The first step in creating our named parameter query dashboard is to create the query that we'll be using. So I will be using Query tool to create that query. Open Query tool to a database that I have here, and I'm going to search for a table that has the information that I want. Add the select statement. So we're going to modify this select statement to work with our named parameters. So these are the parameters that I've created. Format this to make it easier to read. So we have a start date parameter, and parameters start with a question mark. And make sure that name parameters is toggled on in this case. And so we'll go ahead and execute this query. I'm just going to rename this to be So we'll go ahead and execute this query with the name parameters. And here it's prompting for a start date. And then an end date. So I'm going to do this for 2019 time frame and go ahead and execute this query. So here it returned the results to me, and now we have our parameterized query. So I'm going to send this to dashboard tool, and I'm going to create a new dashboard named parameters and click on OK. So it brings up my new dashboard, named parameters. With this data set, I'm going to use a time series visualization and drag the tran date here, drag tran amount here. So we have a visualization of the data in the 2019 time frame. Make some modifications. Make sure this is currency and 2 fractional digits. Update this field. Change a setting here. Let's use purple for this graph. Saving trans by date. So we'll save this visualization. Let's expand it out here, and we will save this dashboard. So now we have a visualization based on a query using name parameters. So to test this, we go up here and we reload the data. And so now it's prompting for a new date range, or it has the existing date range in there. So we can actually modify this now to be 2020 time frame. If we click on OK, now the information is represented as in the 2020 time frame. So this is how you use name parameters to create your queries and create a dashboard that you can modify when you want to change date ranges or any other type of parameter. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching this DataGEM video. Get your free trial of DataGEM at datagem.net/trial.